Hi lovelies, welcome back once again to Vivian's Kitchen, and I believe you are doing great. Today I want to share with you how to make this ever delicious and creamy coconut and sweet corn ice cream. Roasted corn and boiled corn together with coconut is a typical street snack in Ghana. And as a lover of sweet corn and coconut, I decided to take a whole new turn by combining my sweet corn and coconut to make a delicious and ever creamy ice cream. And to be honest, I was so blown away with the outcome, and I hope you like it. As always, stay tuned to the end and be inspired. Please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video to support your girl. Yeah? Without further ado, lovelies, let's dive right into it. So here I've got my 2 corns. I'll just go ahead and remove the husk, and from there, lovelies, we will continue. So go nowhere, stay tuned and be inspired. You can even use 3 or more of the corns depending on how intensified you want the flavor to be in the ice cream. I hope you get it. So once I'm done, lovelies, I'll then go ahead, wash them thoroughly under running water, and after that, add them to my water already in my saucepan, and I'll cook until perfection. Okay? Few minutes later, I'm back to turn the corns over for the other side to also cook as well. I'll come in periodically to repeat myself, making sure all the parts of the corns are completely cooked. And after that, I'll just turn off the heat and finally drain off the water and allow them to cool down. Once that is done, I'll then cut all the kernels from the cobs. To support your girl lovelies, please don't forget to like, share for others to see, and don't forget to comment for me to know your thoughts about the recipe. Also, please recommend this channel to families and friends who may like my recipes. Lovelies, one more thing. Whenever you decide to make this recipe, please do not make a mistake to use any other corn. Kindly use the sweet corn instead of the normal corn used for banku, kenke, or abele, so that the outcome will be great just as mine. Okay, so we are all done. Next, in a blender, I'm adding all the sweet corns just like so. Next, my coconut. Next, my coconut water. Okay, that's it. And then next, lovelies, I'm going ahead to cover the blender up, and I'll blend everything here for a longer period of time to extract all the juice from them, because I do not want to waste any of the juice. Okay. After blending for so long, we are all done, and now is the time to strain to separate the juice from the pulp. Yeah. And lovelies, if it's your first time ever seeing my video, hey, you are warmly welcome. I would love to have you here. So kindly do your girl a favor by subscribing to this channel to enjoy more of my recipes. Don't forget to also smash on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. Lovely. Next to it, I'm adding my condensed milk. Once I'm done, I'll then go ahead and add my evaporated milk, just like this. Next, I'm adding my milk powder, just like this. Next, my vanilla extract for more flavor. And now I'm stirring to mix everything together until well incorporated. Adding sugar is totally optional because this is already sweet. Ooh, this tastes and smells so good and lovely. I hope you give this a try and thank me later. And whenever you try this out, don't forget to bring me the feedback by tagging your girl on Instagram or commenting down below my Facebook and YouTube videos. So now I'll put the bowl a step back and bring my cups here at the front, and then I'll fill them up with my ever delicious and creamy mixture. Yeah. All done now, but I'll proceed to add my natural food coloring to the mixture, and it's totally optional. Okay, you can add any color of your choice, but I'm adding the green and the red, and out of that I'll make my own preferred shades. I hope you can tell. So the first green shade is a little bit darker, and this one is lighter. Okay, so I'll just add my sticks, and then I'll set them on the side. Proceed to fill the cups again, and then I'll add my red food coloring here, and then I'll use my stick to mix everything together until well incorporated. I'll then add the stick to the rest of the cups, And finally send everything into the freezer for later use. Okay, so a few hours later we are back and this is the result. So beautiful, so colorful, and so flavorful. Lovelies, this is a must-try recipe. I promise you will love it. So now I'll bring everything out of the cups. And here we are. Isn't this beautiful? Mamma mia. For more of my videos, please follow me on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. And a very big shout out to all my followers and subscribers for always holding your girl down. Thanks for liking my videos, thanks for commenting, and thanks for sharing my videos. I appreciate you all. Alright, now this is the end of our video, and I hope you've been inspired. Thanks for watching. See you all in my next one. Until then, stay blessed and stay safe. Toodles. Peace out.